Hello, and welcome to my channel, Learn, Profit, Travel. I am a reseller that has done over $100,000 in sales on Amazon alone each of the past few years. While that might sound impressive, it's small potatoes in the world of reselling. I intend to continue to grow my reselling business each year so I can earn a steady income and eventually retire early, and travel with my family. My goal with this channel is to document my life as a reseller, including traveling. With each video, I intend to have a combination of 4 essentials. Number 1. Learning how to be a successful reseller, which includes where to find the best products, as well as what products to look out for. Number 2. Reviewing ideas and tactics to assist others make a steady income from reselling. I hope to deliver tips and tricks to save money, to enable viewers to earn the largest profits possible from their effort. Number 3. Spending profits on travel and experiences like sporting events. I plan to document my travels and give recommendations on hotels, restaurants, airlines, and any other tips that will make your travels better. Since resellers need to buy inventory, credit card points are a perk of the business. Utilizing points and credit cards to the fullest extent is a necessary skill. Lastly, number 4. Shits and giggles. Reselling videos are generally boring. I intend to have interesting challenges, as well as games as an added aspect of my videos. For example, when I go into a store on camera, I might make a goal to find a minimum of 5 profitable items that will generate $20 or more in profit each. If I'm not successful with my challenge, I might give away a prize to a YouTube viewer, or double down on the next store I visit. Either way, I will keep it interesting. My first YouTube video on this channel will feature a challenge. The first person that can show me they shared this video with 3 people or more will get a free funny t-shirt from my Amazon t-shirt store. More info about starting your own Amazon t-shirt store in another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we will go sourcing. P.S. You will not be hearing my voice or seeing my face until my subscribers are over 100 and 1,000 people. So please, like, share, and subscribe to see more content.